In this video, preview ng magiging laro ng Gilas Pilipinas against Jordan. And for this preview nga, let's take a look. Sino ba yung mga players to watch para sa Jordan national team? And again, my name is Ruben Terrado. Thank you for our YouTube channel. No? We will preview nga yung laro ng Jordan against Gilas Pilipinas by taking a look at some of the players to watch. No, and again, this is a crucial game for Gilas Pilipinas in this FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian Qualifiers. Second round na po maya-maya. And almost must win na rin to, no, because we have a 2-4 win-loss record. We will be facing Jordan, a team na may 5-1 win-loss record after the first round ng Asian Qualifiers. So sino nga ba yung mga players to watch, no, ng Jordan? Pag-uusapan natin yan. We picked 4 but I'm sure marami pa mag-step up, but itong actually yung tatlo dito talagang ito yung kanilang main guys, and we have one bonus player to watch. So abangan natin yan kung sino nga yun. And ito, simulan na natin, no. At ito yung talagang aabangan natin, no, sa Jordan side. Ito ay si Jalen Harris, and siya yung talagang top scorer ng Jordan, averaging 27 points sa FIBA qualifiers, 4.2 rebounds and 2 points. Yung naturalized player ng Jordan. He took the spot of Rondae Hollis Jefferson. Tatandaan natin si RHJ played for Jordan nung last World Cup as well as nung Asian Games, at yung spot na yun ay na kay Jalen Harris na, no. 6'5", 28 years old, very impressive credentials. Second round pick siya ng Toronto Raptors noong 2020. Naglaro saglit sa Raptors, pati sa kanilang G League team. Bukod sa G League, naglaro rin siya sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, and recently he played for the New Taipei Kings sa Taiwan. So impressive yung kanyang credentials nga. And during the qualifiers, he scored 42 points, 13 of 24 from the field, 8 of 16 from 3 sa kanilang laro sa Syria last November 30, 2025. But yun, special mention nga actually si Jalen Harris ni Coach Tim Cone nung napag-usapan yung laro nila against Jordan. Sabi nga niya, he is their Justin Brownlee, referring to Jalen Harris. Siguro hindi lang bukod sa siya ang naturalized player ng Jordan, ay siya rin ay may abilidad na talagang umiscore ng marami-rami, and also he can do rebounds and assist. Talagang elite guard talaga siya, and he's very capable of leading Jordan to victories. Napatunayan na yan sa kanilang first round campaign wherein they won 5 out of their 6 games. So Jalen siguro talagang kanilang ito yung main player na talagang abangan natin sa larong ito later when Gilas Pilipinas faces Jordan. Second on our list, si Freddie, 29 years old, 6'2" guard, Jordanian Canadian. Familiar face na tong si Freddie Ibrahim because noong World Cup qualifiers noong 2023, naglaro na ito for Jordan when they played at home meaning home ng Gilas Pilipinas sa Philippine Arena, no. Freddie Ibrahim played in that game, kung matatandaan nyo, February 2022 yun, and Ibrahim was 19 points ang kanyang nagawa in that game, if I remember it right. And for this World Cup qualifiers, still he can all around, no, based on his numbers, 11.2 points ang kanyang average, 5.2 rebounds, 5.8 assists, and 1 steal per game. And he showed yung kanyang all around play, his ability to play on both ends. Against Syria noong November 27, 2025, he had 13 points, 9 rebounds, 5 assists, and 3 steals. So yan din ang ating aabangan, si Freddie Ibrahim. He can do it all, no? He can rebound, he can defend and he can also score. Itong si Freddy Ibrahim, a Jordanian Canadian, played for Amman United sa FIBA West Asia Super League. So isa ring aabangan itong si Freddy Ibrahim. And number 3 on our list, si Ahmad Al-Duwairi. Ito yung kanilang primary big man, itong si Al-Duwairi. 6'10", one of the veterans as well, no? 33 years old, plays in the Turkish League, and once played in the EuroLeague din, no? Champion din siya sa EuroLeague when he played for Fenerbahce, a Turkish-based team. And itong si Ahmad Al-Duwairi, consistent, no? Kaya niyang mag-double-double for Jordan. His averages in these qualifiers, 12.2 points, 7.8 rebounds, 2.5 assists, and very efficient 68% from 2-point range. So ito siguro yung babantayan nila Kai Soto, AJ Edu, Junmar Fajardo, and the rest of the bigs of Gilas Pilipinas. Itong si Ahmad Al-Duwairi, twice na siya nagdo-double-double in this FIBA World Cup qualifier. First against Syria noong November 30, 2025, 18 points, 10 rebounds. Meron din siyang 1 block in that game. And then recently, last July 2, against Iran, he had 17 points and 11 rebounds. So again, a player to watch, especially sa ilalim, no, si Ahmad Al-Duwairi, jersey number 44. Abangan po natin yan, yung magiging laro mamaya. And let's see how Gilas Pilipinas will be defending itong si Ahmad Al-Duwairi. So yun yung ating players to watch. And meron nga tayong bonus player to watch. Ito ay si Abdullah Olajuwon. One of the role players nating masasabi, no, sa Jordan. Averaging 6.5 points, 3.8 rebounds, 2.5 assists, and 1.5 steals. And if the surname is familiar, ay kapag-anak po niya si NBA legend Hakeem Olajuwon. And actually, tatay niya itong si Hakeem Olajuwon na kilala natin na naglaro para sa Houston Rockets na matagal na panahon. In fact, itong si Hakeem Olajuwon ay nanood pa actually nung laro ni Abdullah during the 2025 FIBA Asia Cup sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Nagtungo pa si Hakeem doon upang suportahan ang kanyang anak. Itong si Olajuwon naglaro sa University of Detroit nung college, and currently is playing professionally sa Jordan. So abangan din natin to si Abdullah Olajuwon, no? In the last window, he had 14 points, 4 rebounds, 2 steals against Iraq. Let's see if he can maintain it, no? Itong performance ni Abdullah Olajuwon. And of course, dahil medyo hoop crazy ang ating bansa, I'm sure our Filipino fans will be taking a look as well as Abdullah Olajuwon. Hindi natin maiiwasan na mas panonorin din natin itong si Olajuwon because of his surname as well. Hindi sentro si Abdullah Olajuwon, he plays guard, no? So let's see what Abdullah Olajuwon can do later against Gilas Pilipinas. So yan po yung ating 4 players to watch para sa side ng Jordan. And again, they will be facing Gilas Pilipinas later. Kung hindi nyo pa po alam, yung Final 12 ng Gilas Pilipinas, ito, ipapaalala natin ang ating Final 12. We have Justin Baltasar, AJ Edu, Junmar Fajardo, Juan Gomez de Leaño, Chris Newsome, CJ Perez, Kevin Kiambao, Dwight Ramos, Troy Rosario, Carl Tamayo, Scottie Thompson, and of course, Kai Soto nagbabalik para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Playing for the first time after 2 years sa ating national team. And Gilas, again, will be playing without Justin Brownlee due to injuries. So yan po yung final roster for our game against Jordan. And let's see if this lineup would stay in the next game against Iran. Let's see if there will be changes. But for now, yan po ang final roster for our game against Jordan later tonight. So that's our preview of our game between Gilas Pilipinas and Jordan, abangan nyo po yung ating mga videos later sa ating YouTube channel, post-game reactions, post-game press conferences later, sidelights sa ating YouTube channel, and of course our Facebook page. Game reports as well no, sa ating coverage on spin.ph. Abangan nyo po yan later sa ating sinusulatan sa ating spin.ph, ang ating kung saan tayo nagre-report when it comes to our sports stories sa spin.ph. Basahin niyo po ang ating coverage ng ating game between Gilas and Jordan. But for now, thanks for watching our video. Marami pa po tayong videos when it comes to Gilas. Pre-match press conferences, nandyan din po nakapost sa ating YouTube channel. Alright, thank you very much again for watching. Salamat, and we will see you next time.